In this video, we are going to learn how you can access the recycle bin on Salesforce. So do kindly watch the video till the end. And in the dashboard, all you need to do, you have to hit settings and click on setup. It will take few seconds to load, so just wait for it. Now before setup, you can see there are some dots. It's called the app launcher. So just click on app launcher and type recycle bin. Click on recycle bin. Okay, so once it loads up, you can simply access the recycle bin here, and all the deleted records will be displayed to you here. But remember that the records will be deleted automatically after 15 days. This recycle bin basically displays you the recent deleted records. But if you click on my recycle bin here, there is another recycle bin called org recycle bin. And if you want to access all the past records which you have deleted, you have to go through this, and from here you can simply restore all the data, or you can delete all of them. So all for today's video, guys. I hope you have learned something new. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll be meeting you in the next video. See you soon. Bye.